how to create a poll in WhatsApp channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a poll in your WhatsApp channel. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the updates tab, and now here in this section, you simply have to open the channel where you want to create a poll. And now here, once you're inside the channel, at the bottom right, you simply have to tap on the paperclip icon, and now here in the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on the option that says poll. And after that, you'll get to a screen where you can type your poll questions and answers. So here at the top, simply type your poll questions. Like, for example, I'll be writing favorite color. And with the questions, you simply have to add an answers as well. Red, yellow, or if you like, you can create an answer as much as you can. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the send button. And you can also allow, or you can disallow multiple answers by toggling off this option as well. And once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the send button and your poll will be posted on the channel. And that's it. That's how you can create a poll in WhatsApp channel. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.